What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank Be Choppin', and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be short and sweet. We just gonna be doing an unboxing of Babyliss's new trimmer. It's right here. It's the Lowe's Cutted edition of the Babyliss trimmers, limited edition, and we gonna be unboxing this for y'all on camera. Let's go. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, this is the trimmer right here, still in the box. I actually bought it a little earlier today. I hadn't had time to open it and charge it, and I said, you know what, let me go ahead and press that record button on that camera one time so we can go ahead and record me unboxing this clipper so y'all can see what this clipper comes with. So before we actually even get into opening it, as y'all can see, it comes in a nice package. You know, Babyliss has always been clutch when it comes to their packaging. Their packaging is always on point, and this package looks nice just like their other stuff. But let's go ahead and read some of these specifications and these things on the back. So it says it comes with a black DLC diamond light carbon deep tooth 2.0 millimeter T-blade, and it does come with the zero gap tool just like the rest of their trimmers come with. It says it's got a 360 degrees exposed T-blade, basically the same type of blade that you see on their older trimmers. High torque brushless engine, 7,200 RPMs, all metal housing, lithium ion battery. It can run corded or cordless, and it's got the hanging hook. It's basically just like the other trimmers that they have, guys, but the only difference is that it comes with a different blade, and it is a limited edition Lowe's Cutted version. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's looking like. Alright guys, so here is the box that it comes in. Like I said earlier, it is a nice box. You know, Babyliss is always on point with their boxes, man. Like, their packaging is always nice. That's all the specifications. And then we got Lowe's Cutted on this side. Just a little, I guess it's a little bio of them. But let's get to opening this this trimmer. Y'all ready for this? There she is. Influencer collection. Man, looks, even this box looks good, you know what I'm saying? Like this, I'm telling you, man, Babyliss has the best packages of their tools. Y'all check that box out, man. It looks nice. All right, let's get to opening this bad boy up. So here she is. Y'all check that out. That's the DLC blade on it, 2.0. So it should be good for balding and lining. Should basically be like an all-around trimmer. So obviously the box comes with the trimmer. Let's open it up. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna have everything that the other trimmers have. But let's just open it just to see. Uh-oh. My bad. Let me push this back. I'm gonna mess around and drop it. Alright. Alright, well, let's just go ahead and open this first. Or see what this is. So in here, we got a nice little Babyliss for Barber sticker. And then we got, what's this right here? The instruction, the operating instructions manual. Chunk that to the side. Alright, let's see what's in here. Let's move this over. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so obviously we got the charger. Comes with the same charger all their tools comes with. You know, we're gonna throw that to the side. I might throw a power clip on it. And then in here, let's open this up real quick. Alright, so we got some oil. We have a little brush. We got the guard, or not the guard, but the cover for it. Let's go ahead and put that on there so I don't drop it. It comes with the zero gapping tool. Even though I got like 3 or 4 of these, I don't even use them really. I just move the blade up. And then we got the screwdriver in here. And then we have, oh, I don't even know what this is. Oh, I guess it's another piece for the blade. So This is the piece that gets louder when your trimmer starts to wear out. It's the piece down here. Let's take that off. So it's the little piece right here. It starts to get louder when you use your trimmers a lot. So I guess they give you an extra one in case it gets too loud. You can, you know, swap it in and put that on there. And then we do got a different bottom for it. You know what I'm saying? So currently it has the red bottom, and I guess if you wanted to black it out, you can put the black one on there, and you know, it'd be black at the bottom. But I like the way, you know, the accents of the red, I like the way that looks. But yeah, this is the clipper, or I'm sorry, the trimmer. She looks pretty fire, man. All right, guys, so like I said, this is the trimmer. She looks nice, man. And I know normally I give a small review, you know, my initial thoughts on the trimmer or the clipper or whatever I'm unboxing. However, since I didn't have time to unbox these earlier and use them, I can't do that now. But y'all know how your boy does, man. I'm gonna put these to the test for the next couple days, a week or so. I'm really gonna use them, see if they're good with balding, basically just see what they're good for, you know, what are their strengths and what are their weaknesses, and I will be giving a detailed review, so y'all make sure to stay tuned for that. All in all, up front, honestly, I think they're gonna be hitters. Like, if y'all have any of the Babyliss trimmers, y'all know that they hit, y'all know that they work really well, they're powerful. So I'm pretty sure these are gonna live up to the name, you know, they're gonna do good for me. So, but I just still wanna put them to use, I still wanna put them to test, and I wanna give y'all my honest review on these. So like I said, guys, y'all just please be sure to stay tuned for that. And that's basically it for this video, guys. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. But other than that, YouTube, that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Let's keep grinding. Let's keep growing. Let's go.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?